Aragoneses, meanwhile, goes in and is swatted by Zimmerman. Omar Pruitt drives in. Oh boy, what a tough finish. Like to force the turnovers to get some points in transition if they can. Dalton, turnaround jumper, got it. 17 points. Advantage. Paredo from behind the arc, and he is hit by Nueva. Now gets it to Miller. Down 4. Launches the three and hits it right at the end of the shot clock. Right now, to see his players get some execution. Receiver comes out. They reset it to now Dalton goes in and tries to dunk on him his knees. And drives in, not there, who stays there for the rebound and putback by as many as 20 points in the first half. Another up by 10. Came back. Turnover style again.
We should have came out and played much better, but I just felt like for us, being short a couple players, it was just different lineups, different looks, and we just have to adapt.
Okay, thank you. We can go if you want.
Thank you.
Now, Coach, your opinion now?
Well, the Jacob say was a special game. Of course, both teams want to win the game, but they played really good. They are playing good, definitely, and for that reason was very important to beat them at home last week because we need the victory to qualify. And now without three players, important players, I know they are without two important players too. But we have to play different. And in the first minutes, our point guard. Garcia was injured, so we need to play with only one point guard, natural point guard, full game. And this and Nymburk is a great team. They destroy us with a three-point shots during the game. They have 65% in 2 points and 42 in 3 points, and we have 48 and 28. There's many different, and because for example, in rebounds we win the battle. We take 17 offensive rebounds. They take 8, but it's not enough because they feel great. They feel comfortable all game. We play a lot of different defense and the pick and roll, but we lost all the time with the one-on-one players. And they find the shooters all the time, so nothing to say. It's tough. Sometimes it's tough to play the last game with two teams qualified, but that's not an excuse. They played better than us. It's just it.
Now is end of the group. So how are you looking forward for the final 8?
We are great. We are with a great illusion. The 18s play with the same illusion to be a championship in the Champions League, and we don't know exactly against who we play. So be patient, We play Zandi at home. As EZB tournament, it's a tough game too. So we are ready to play against any team, and but we are really happy to be there. There are a lot of teams out of the final 8, and we are in. So we are really proud and happy and ready to play our best tournament and try to win, of course, like I know the rest of the teams.
Okay, thank you so much.
You were, sí, I need to say in Spanish.
Okay.
Bien, tuvimos que jugar un básquet hoy un poco desnaturalizado por la ausencia de no solo de los 3 jugadores, sino con el problema de Javier García en el inicio. Tuvimos que improvisar a Brusino de base, aunque lo hizo bien en el momento que le tocó, pero desgastarnos mucho tratando de parar un equipo que cuando está en su noche es tremendo, tiene unos porcentajes altísimos, 65% de 2 puntos más 42 de 3 puntos. No pudimos prácticamente disimular ninguna situación de desventaja que nos generaban con el pick and roll o con la defensa de los unos contra uno, que fue uno de nuestros mayores problemas. Y ofensivamente el cansancio también nos pagó, nos hizo pagar el precio de forzar muchas situaciones y esa ansiedad y esa desesperación por tratar de ganar nos hizo cometer errores en momentos claves. Así que nada, hay que prepararse ahora para lo que viene. Tenemos un juego difícil en casa por la ACB y enseguida cuando nos toque jugar la Final 8, para la cual estamos absolutamente felices y orgullosos de participar, y con la ilusión de poder ser nosotros los que nos quedemos con la Champions. Estaremos listos ahora, dolidos por la derrota, pero tranquilos porque hicimos todo lo que pudimos dentro del campo. Gracias.